When we talk about risks in both the Biodiversity and water risk filter, we assess three types of corporate risks. First of all, a company may face physical risks. So, for example, if operating in basin and scapes experiencing a decline in ecosystem services and freshwater resources, which can result in, for example, financial impact such as production cost or operational disruptions. But a company may also face, for example, regulatory risks. For example, if operating in an unstable, ineffective, poorly implemented regulatory environment, and if not prepared for regulatory changes or experiencing restrictions due to noncompliance. And this also can result in financial impacts from fines to cost increases to operational restrictions. And finally, last but not least, there are also reputational risks that a company may face if stakeholders and local communities perceive that it's not conducting business in a responsible fashion with regards to nature. And this can result in financial impact through loss of brand value and market share, for example. And here, a company's reputational risks are generally linked more to operational performance, but there are certain preconditions in the basin and land or seascapes that can make reputational risks more likely to manifest, and which we try to capture in our tool with various environmental and socioeconomic factors. So, in the water risk filter, actually, we provide a water risk assessment for all three physical, regulatory, and reputational risks. Whereas in the Bide or Cirrus filter, currently we only cover physical and reputational risks. However, we are working on developing an approach and data sets to incorporate regulatory risks in the future.